How to buy TikTok coins with PayPal. Go to tiktok.com/coin. And then you want to choose the amount of coins you want to buy. And then you want to click recharge. And from here you want to choose PayPal at the bottom here. And then you want to tick this box right here. And then you want to click Pay Now. And from here you want to fill in your PayPal email and then your password and then log on. And then you want to follow the instructions. So this is how to buy TikTok coins with PayPal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.